Do you want to make your cargo van look less creepy and more like a cozy wooden camper? Ta-da! So the walls of my van, I used cedar tongue and groove. It was 1/4 inch by 3.5 inch by 8 feet long. And I believe I used about 2 to 3 packs. I just picked it up from the Home Depot, and it cost roughly about like $27 a pack. So before I put the actual tongue and groove on the walls, I had framed up the walls with furring strips. I think they were like 1x2s. I ended up putting a sound deadener. It was like kill mat, and then I did Reflectix. I know Reflectix does nothing, but I did it anyway. And then on top of that, I did 1 inch polyiso insulation furring strips that I ended up putting on the metal ribs of the van, and I attached those with metal screws, and then I started to put up the walls. Here's an example of the tongue and groove I used. So when I attached it, or when I started attaching it to the furring strips, I started at the bottom, made sure it was level, and then as long as it was level, I just kind of started going up from there. It was pretty simple, and it didn't actually take too long at all. So why did I like these? Well, I like the aesthetic. I love the versatility. These can be stained, they can be painted. I just ended up putting a water-based clear coat over it, and that was perfect. I didn't put a roof vent fan in this, as you can probably see. I had a Max Air fan forever in the box, and I ended up selling it because I got such a good seal on the inside of this van from leaks that I didn't want to put a 15-inch hole in the roof of my van, considering I'm probably not going to be, well, I know I'm not going to be living in it, and I'm just going to be camping and taking it on surf trips. So you know what, I can use my Blue Eddy, and I can just power a fan off the Blue Eddy and crack a couple windows when I'm camping. So, you know, I might want it later, but for now I'm fine without it. So that's it. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It didn't take too long, it didn't cost too much, and I think my van is warm and cozy and just a little less creepy. Actually, I think a lot less creepy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.